All right, folks. I know this looks a mess here. This is going to be a real down and dirty test, but I'm doing this for one of my buddies who's picking this amp up here. So I'm going to show you what's going on. Here we have a Texas Star 667V variable, the fan kit. Here we have a megawatt 50 amp power supply. Here's our Galaxy DX959. As you can see, we're 30 watts PEP. That's with the variable power all the way open, but we're going to run this all the way down at 1 watt to feed that amplifier. Here's our dummy load, and then here's our voltmeter, which goes to this, which powers that. First thing you're going to see, you see how tiny this wire is? That's just what I had. This amp's going to do a lot more once it's in the vehicle with proper power wires. I know it's kind of cheesy, but it is what it is. So, first things first, we'll go ahead and turn the amp off. And let's see. To RF power, we'll have to turn that up a little bit so we can calibrate the SWR, which it's probably going to be pretty good because we got a dummy load here. But let's show you that here. And there we go. Okay, I'm going to calibrate that over a little bit. Okay, there we go. That's pretty good right there. We're on key. Go ahead and switch this over to the SWR mode. There we go. Key back up again. Okay, so we're safe. Our SWR is non-existent. So that's good. Now let's go ahead and turn this on the 5 watt scale. That's with just the radio. Hello. Ew. Let's put it on the 50 watt. I'll go ahead and open the RF power all the way up. So that's about a 5 watt dead key. Ew. About 22, 23 watts PEP. I mean, I'm using this here. This little. Also, the mic gain's not open all the way. Anyways, I'm using this noise canceling. So, anyways, we're gonna run this RF power all the way down now, and I'll show you where it's at. We're gonna go to the 5 watt scale. So we have a watt, about 1.25 watts. And at that little bit of a power, we're only swinging up to, like, you saw that, 4.5 watts, give or take. When it's that low, it's not going to produce much, but that's perfect for this little 667. So now we're going to kick the 667 on. This will be full power. Now, as a reminder, I'm using this little tiny wire, so we're going to see more once it's in the vehicle. So let's go ahead and put this up on the 1000 watt scale. Yeah, that's way too high of a dead key. This really needs to be opened up and cut back, but just for purposes, we'll do it. Hello. Hello. Okay, there's 750, 800. I'm gonna have to turn this back. I don't wanna burn anything up. We'll put it at halfway. We'll see what we can get for a dead key there. Yeah, I can open it up a little more. Definitely don't want to burn up the new amp. We can go up a little more with it. What's good about these variables, you can set it where you need to. Okay, it's a little hot. Let's roll it back a little bit. There we go. We got a 100-watt dead key right there, and you see where I got that variable at now. About 3/4 of the way. Okay. See what kind of power it makes in. Hello, audio. Hello, audio. Hello, audio. Hello, audio. Hello, 11111. Audio. Audio. Well, it's making over 500 the way it is, and that's with this little tiny wire. Hello. Hello. That's really not even doing much to it. Yeah, the wire's definitely heating up. It's not getting enough current. But this is just to show everything's working. Hello, audio. There's a 200-watt dead key. Hello, audio. Getting about 600 out of it. So once this is installed in the vehicle, on my buddy's radio, his dead key can be cranked down to nothing. This one really needs to go down to about 3/4 of a watt. It's a little high. So once it's in my buddy's vehicle, and he's got that real low dead key, then I can open this variable up all the way, and it'll put out about the 750 watts there. All right, like I said, I know it's kind of down and dirty. I just want to show everything's working. We get a shot of the front of the amp here. Hello, audio. Hello, audio. Hello, audio. Hello. Yeah, the fan's blowing a nice amount of air there. All right, don't laugh at me. I just cobbled this together real quick. I just want to show my buddy it's working. Thanks for watching.